I'm playing this chess.com 3-minute tournament that my friend invited me to. So we're going to see how it goes. I would highly not recommend 3-minute chess to anybody. It is, this light is not so good, is it? We're going to switch that real quick. We got 35 seconds till the tournament starts. Just bring you guys with me over here. Because it's late, I'm going to switch to my red glasses. And we're going to kill this light. There we go. Yeah, so 3-minute chess is, you really can't play a good game in 3 minutes. But this is a tournament I was invited to. I'm supporting my friend's team. And I'll try to talk a little bit about what I'm trying to do. I mean, the problem is you really can't calculate that quick. Now, why am I forgot to join. Whoops-a-daisy. Okay. All right, and I got a game already against a player rated 200. Now, I hate chess.com, but I do kind of like this. All right, I don't know what that's all about, but the guy's not rated super high, so we're just going to get all our pieces out and try to attack. Let's see, even against a really low-rated player, I'm already kind of making some mistakes. Fortunately, he's also making some mistakes. Yeah. Next, I'm going to try to take this pawn with the knight. Oh, no, I can't even because this is hit. But, yeah, I think we win his queen if we do this. But he doesn't go for it. But I can hit the bishop. Actually, this is like not as clear as it looks because he's going to take this with check and get a new queen. So already we got a wild and crazy game. Even against a really low-rated opponent. But I'm pretty confident I should be able to win with 2 minutes. So I should have thrown in this check first. Let's do that and then take the knight. I should have maybe taken here first. Yeah, you just can't really think that fast. But whatever, I got 2 points of the way it works. Oh, you can't see me pointing. But you get points for a win. And you get points for a streak, kind of like on leechess.org. And my goal is to get 150 points. That's not going to happen in the next 2 hours. But this is a 24-hour tournament. All right. So I don't know how the pairings work, but I'm just like playing against all comers. So, C3 Sicilian, that's what I play. It's actually a good start playing against low-rated players because I can talk a little more. If I'm playing against someone more at my level, I can barely play. Little and talk and play. Yeah, this guy's playing pretty standard. White's has like a little advantage in these types of positions, but I'm so familiar with them. I played them so many times. I'm pretty comfortable with them. So it's more important to be comfortable than it is to play the perfect moves. If he takes with the queen already, he loses a pawn. Yeah, and he can't check me here, importantly. Yeah, we'll go back, hitting this. Okay, threatening checkmate is a bit annoying. Good thing is that we can take, defend, attack. I see. Should we pin this or I think I'm just going to kick him away because pinning it, yeah, I'm just going to kick him away. We are 2 pawns up now. Well, queen f6 I also could have played. I could still play queen f6. It's always good to trade queens when you're up. I don't see any reason not to play this. Yeah, so I just got 2 extra central pawns. Let's castle so he can't fork me. Okay. he better retreat here. It's his only square. I like this move. That'll force him over here when I kick him. Oh, right, I did forget about that. But now I can infiltrate. This has got to be good. And his knight is way out to lunch. Yeah, I like this move. Rook takes first could have been okay, but why? I mean, there's no time to calculate, so... Okay, he's hitting... So I have to do it this way, I think. Maybe bringing the... yeah, I don't care about that at all. Go back here. Now we're threatening just checks and discovered checks and all sorts of goodness like that. Okay, he's hitting my rook. Do I care? I don't really care, but why not move it? Well, why not is he can oppose here. So maybe that wasn't ideal. But this is good. Well, no, he can't take. Okay, so that's just bad. And yeah, I'll take my knight. And next I'm going to pin and win the bishop. So pretty clean, but of course it's easy to look like you know what you're doing when you're playing someone 1,000 points below you. So yeah, now I got 5 points. I guess you get 2, and then you get 3 when you're in a streak. Okay, so we got another low-rated player. So hopefully I can win again. This is called the Italian game. Well, if he plays bishop here, it's Italian. Otherwise, if he plays knight here, it's the 2 knights. But he's a beginner, so he may play like d6 or nope, 2 knights. So the ballsy way to play. Well, since the guy's lowered, I'm going to play here, but I don't really feel super comfortable with this line. The more like tame way to play is pawn here. So okay, this is right. He's playing everything perfect. Taking is a move, like the main move is knight here. So yeah, I could take this pawn, that's the fried liver, but I'd rather play like this and take next. And it's a crazy line where you sack a piece and then, okay, so that's not right at all. I'm just going to take this pawn. Because now I'm hitting this knight twice. After the games, maybe I'll take a look at this stuff. And I think you should just take my knight. Yeah. Maybe taking with the queen is better. Probably a knight takes is fine for him. Because I won't have this check because the knight can take. If he does something else... Well, yeah, this just looks good for me. Let's see. I got an extra pawn. Unless he takes. But his king's like way wide open. He's not castling kingside anytime soon. Okay, that's just a bad move. That's just a losing move, in fact. Because I'm winning the queen. If he plays king here, then that's even worse because bishop takes is leading to like super disaster. And my queen can stay safely here. I don't have to take and let him even check me. So yeah, this is just a disaster. All right, and I'm tied for the #1 spot, but it's nothing to really brag about. I haven't had a strong opponent yet. All right. C3, okay. I'm out of book. I've played this guy in the past. Come on, MC, what you got queued up? All right. It's worth waiting for d3. Let's grab the center. And yeah, pushing is bad because it lets him trade queens. I don't see anything wrong with knight c6. Okay. He's bringing his queen out a bit early. I don't see anything wrong with just developing my pieces. Okay, this guy's going, he's going wild. Yeah, so if I take, he takes here. I attack him. He checks. Yeah. I can't be good. Just can't be good. This bishop's not getting involved in the action, so I just feel very safe. All right, that's not what I expected. So yeah, these opponents play really weird moves, and it can like waste a lot of your time. The important thing is to play quickly. Yeah, I'm playing here rather than c6 because of this move. But now I can take twice, and this is just really bad for him. On the other hand, I only have half my time left. And okay, so now I got to trade here first. And a 1200 on chess.com is not like that bad, really. I mean, they're not a strong player, but like a 1200 on Lee Chess is like a total beginner. 1200 on chess.com is like not a total beginner. They can like, see, this guy's like outplaying me. Kind of, not really. Actually, yeah, he has to trade now. So yeah, I got a minute left, and I can play really bad moves. I only have a minute left. I probably shouldn't have pre-moved that, just in case. But I think I can win this in a minute. I'm just gonna defend. Just keep my pawns nice and tidy. Yeah, and I should be able to win this in a minute. Trading rooks, getting a queen. Going in for the kill. We're doing it for a thrill. Hoping you'll understand and not let go of my hand. I'm not a fan of when people don't resign. If I had like 2 seconds, yeah, don't resign, but you should really resign when you're a queen down with no pawns, in my opinion. Because like, yeah, people are here to play. Wow, I'm number 1. Woohoo. It was almost like cheating, like joining like 15 seconds late because I didn't have to. I feel like they pair you like with someone right around your rating when you start, but I haven't had anyone at my rating yet. So I'm getting a lot of kind of streak points. All right, I'm going to play the D3 line because I'm feeling a little cowardly. Not that this is like so bad, but it's just kind of boring. Let's get the bishop pair. He can't do the same thing to me, although he can do that. So yeah, it's just like kind of a nothing position, so I'll have to try to outplay him. This one, yeah, so we can move the knight somewhere, but that's fine. I'll just move my queen. I mean, that's cute and all. You're getting the bishop back. But now I'm getting a free pawn, so I'll have a little something. Nothing to write home about, but it's a pawn. Sure. So yeah, rook endgames are not so great to have an extra pawn. That can be kind of drawish, but I got an extra pawn and he got double pawns. And this move just strikes me as like not so good. So now if he trades, we'll have a king and pawn endgame, and this should be winning. Because I'm just going to have a pass pawn, which I can try to get right away, where I can bring my king up first. Yeah, I'll have an outside pass pawn, and that will like tie him down forever. So I don't think there's a real rush to create a pawn. I can maybe even win this outright. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't really think that clearly. Should be a little bit careful. Let's just do this now. Alright, so I don't want to take him, so I'm not going to take him. Oh, yeah, I think now's the chance to bring my king rounds. He actually doesn't have to go for it yet, but I don't see any reason why not to. Okay, now I'm going to get another pass pawn on the other side of the board. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right away. If you see what I mean, I'm going to push here. Yeah, and I don't even have to move my king because I'm just going to get a queen. Yeah, so he sees that, resigns. Because I can win in a minute here. And yeah, we are number one. Man, I'm getting a lot of points. Let's see, I don't really want to transpose. I could play like queen b6 if I really don't want to transpose, because that stops him from just developing normally with knight c3. Yeah. Actually, I don't know what to do particularly. I'll take this way. So should I be greedy? No, I actually don't think I should be greedy. Actually, I do think I should be greedy, because I'm hitting his rook, and that's a big problem. Yeah, I'm just gonna be greedy. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. Right. Don't have... Oh wait, he's hitting a piece. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that. So... he probably has some compensation. I'm being a little cavalier because of the guy's rating. Okay, I don't think that's so great. So yeah, he shouldn't have traded queens. Now his development means very little. Where to put the bishop? So yeah, now it's very clean. With all the pieces off, there's not really much to fear. And he just goes back for some reason. So not very exciting stuff thus far. Threatening mate in 1. Just gotta bring a rook here. Okay, he doesn't see that. Okay. Well, I'm getting my points easy, which I do want. Okay, here we go. 1760. Hopefully I'm not just lulled into a false sense of, okay, he's playing this BS. Yeah, no knight here. I'll just take it. So he's trying to do some stupid checkmating attack. But yeah, now I just have an extra pawn. It's true that he's got some threats, and probably letting him trade bishops is not the most accurate, but I'm just going to take that. Probably not the best. And he does this, huh? Not what I expected. Okay, so that was a mistake, because now he can push the pawn. Yeah. Oh yeah, and he should take and then take by rook. So okay, I screwed that up. If I take, I lose. But I still think I'm winning. So that's fine. Okay, now I'm winning the pawn. But I'm just being too cavalier. I can't even take the rook. Oh, I think I can take the rook, actually. Yeah, I can't let him get away with this. There's no threat here because my rook. Okay, yeah, so this is a bit annoying. A bit annoying. Oh, actually, yeah, very annoying. I gotta protect this pawn. So what? Okay, you take here, and then you're all out of steam. Okay, or you can do that. I think I'd just like to neutralize this rook. Oh, no, he's threatening this. Let's just not let him do that. Oh yeah, but now rook here defends this. So that was stupid of me. Of that, I have no doubt. Yeah, now I'm starting to like get really angry at myself, like I tend to do, and yeah, he's threatening here actually. Yeah, so I'm gonna come here with the rook and stop that, but I'm really kind of disgusted with myself. I mean, this rook move doesn't even. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. All right, I'm just losing. Really sad. It's a sad. Oh, he doesn't even check me, are you stupid, bro? But this also works. This also works. Yeah, it does work because check I can't block because of the stupid bishop here. So I'm just it's just dunzos. Just done. I can check and get behinds. Yeah, really sad. And I have 30 seconds too, so. Yeah, he has too many pawns now. Yeah. And if I take, he's, I mean, I have to take, and then he's just got too many pawns. Yeah, I'm gonna resign. Boo-hoo! I hate losing so much. And I've been much higher rated before, so, like, I feel like an old has-been now. I mean, the problem with being good and then getting worse is that you, like, feel like you should beat everyone, but you shouldn't beat everyone because, like, you're old and you haven't studied properly in, like, a decade and a half, so yeah. But I mean, losing to that opening is just, yeah, it's such a rubbish opening. All right, and now we just have to sit with the pain, but I'm still number one out of I don't know how many people. Standings only 26-32. Yeah, it's not going to stay that way for long because we got some like 2300s up in the mix. So I'm going to play till 11. I mean, excuse me, I'm going to play till 7 p.m. All right, tell me if someone starts a game with me. All right, I got my little grounding mat like Captain Planet. Gonna connect with the energy of Mother Earth. I'm unbeatable now, just FYI. All right. Oh shoot! I didn't click next game. One little loss and I'm falling apart. Oh, now I got another 1200. Sometimes I get so tilted losing to someone that I just start losing to like everyone. But we're not gonna let that happen today. So challenging the center right away. Usually they push. Oh yeah, we had this exact same opening not too long ago. I've probably played this opening more than any other from both colors, so I know it fairly well. So now he's moved the bishop. I'm going to put my knight here. So if he wants to take, he doesn't want to take, but he doesn't really want to give up this bishop. I guess he does want to give up the bishop. Well, I'm not going to take it right away because he has nowhere really good to move it. Still has nowhere good to move it. So now I want to play f6. I want to undermine this whole pawn chain and win a pawn. And yeah, a3 is not really a proper move. And now I think he's just losing a pawn because I'm hitting this like 18 times. How's he going to defend it? Okay, he wants to kick this knight away, but he's also causing some problems for himself here. I'm going to take it this way, just to tempt fate. But not just to tempt fate, also I might want to put my knight here. his bishop, well, yeah, this is a big problem. This bishop can't really move anywhere where I can't take it besides here, and then I'll play h5. This square is good for now. Yeah, so he's just lost his whole center, and now he's losing this knight. Hitting the queen with the rook. Yeah, it's lost. All right, lost my streaks. Only got 2 points for that. This 2400 is on my heels. I'll probably have to play him sooner or later, but I should be happy to play strong players because that's how you learn. And Molfo for Rani wins, for Winnie wins, for wins. Anyway, all right. So I think this is the first Sicilian I got as white. There we go. All right. I kind of like this variation. Oh, yeah. So if he trades queens, it looks really bad, right? I'm a pawn down, but pawn down, double pawns, but I got the 2 bishops and his king is exposed. And you see my bishops are both open and his pieces are not out. So he's going to win my rook. No big deal. I'm going to win his rook. And I'm hoping that I can trap his knight and he can't trap mine. So let's just see about that. I like bishop here, but then knight here is not so good for me. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go attack this pawn. If I take that pawn, then my knight's getting out. So he has to do something like this. But now my knight can just get out right now. Which, in the interest of time, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I also could have checked him. I also could have played bishop here. But I'm just going to keep it simple. Bishop here, controlling here, and then I'm going to play king here and win his knight. And I'm just a piece up. Woohoo. Okay, so that's not a big deal because he's not threatening me. So I'm just going to go here. And I'm going to win a piece. Okay. Now, oh yeah. So I could take it or I could even pin it. Oops. I could have even pinned it with a rook. So that was a nice clean win. It's not usually going to be that easy. Black can fight a lot harder, but yeah. Looking at that game, you might think I know my openings, but a lot of openings, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But the C3 Sicilian in certain lines. Yeah, I'm a typical like A player. Like I know certain lines really well. Since he's rated 200, let's play double king's pawn. Even though I'm really bad at this, I haven't played this since I was a kid, but he's playing here, so that's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, there's not too much to comment here. Not really sure what to say about this situation. Just not sure what to say. Can't castle without losing a piece. Yeah, let's take. I'm going to be really mean. He can't take because he's pinned. So we'll just trade pieces. Trade queens, win a rook. Okay, he must have forgot to, must be a mouse slip. Castle with check. Don't want to let him take here, so, let's just slide up. Okay, that's a pin. Pawn here next. Yeah, when I play, I'm always curious about who I'm playing. Is this like an old man? Is this like a 5-year-old child who in like a few more years is going to be better than me? We just don't know. Just don't know who you're messing with on the internet. I had a student, 6 years old. He's already like 1400 on Lee Chess Rapid. So pretty good. Pretty good. But I don't know, his mom went to India for a month and now having yeah, I think his mom was the one really pushing him. I mean, they were paying me like peanuts for chess lessons, but I'm broke. And I really like teaching a dedicated student, so if anybody wants lessons for me. Yeah, the youngest I taught was age 5. The oldest I taught was 82. This old guy from Amsterdam. Yeah, he like smoked a lot of pot. He was yeah, he was like 1100 on chess.com on Rapid. I don't really know how the Rapid ratings compare. So I guess I'll take. I hate these like boring French variations. It seems like everyone loves to like trade here. Okay. So yeah, I should have played my queen here because then I could have won his rook with a threat of mate. And now I can't. But I can hit his rook and make him like make an awkward move like this. And then I can do this. And then I can do this. And then I can do this. And now I'm like all out of ideas. Yeah. He can trade bishops, but I'll put his rook in an awkward spot. I want a tempo on said rook. I'll go here with the fork threat. I'll hit his queen, take the file. So I'm trying to hold on to something. It's really not much. Probably like zilch, really. Because he'll be able to trade everything now. Well, not quite, right? Because I got the file. He can kind of mess around with his queen, which he does do. And it's actually a little annoying to defend this pawn. But I still can without giving up the file for now. And I got 2 minutes, but he has even more than 2 minutes. So really I have very, very little. But I'm just going to keep playing kind of quick and try not to make a blunder. Yeah, b4 just seems like... Why would I want to make holes like that? I don't think I would. So his queen is kind of like stupid now. Maybe rook here. Alright, yeah, so he's just making a lot of queen moves. I'm going to improve my king. Now this pawn is not pinned, although I'm not sure I want to move it and expose my king. Alright, so I've decided to move it and expose my king. I have the file, but I'm not really sure what to do with it. Okay, this move is suspicious. I'm going to get my queen in here. Should I sack a pawn for that? Probably I shouldn't. Let's just do this and be a little bit annoying. Okay, he checks me. I'm not too concerned about that. I'm going to try to be brave and or stupid. Come in with my king. Okay. Now I think he's kind of being stupid here. No. Yeah, 50 seconds is just not a lot of time. Alright, we're going to get crazy. If he takes with the G-pawn, I think he's just dunzos. If he takes with that, he's probably fine. You can see I don't have like a lot of confidence, but that's for a good reason, because I'm not that good. Yeah, it'd be nice if I could check without trading queens. Yeah, I think I should take here now. Oh, yeah, that's a check. $40. Not a lot of time. But, okay, so... Yeah, now I like my position. Okay, that's... Yeah, how do I win? How do I win? How do I win? I don't know how I win. I don't want to repeat. If he moves again, it's a draw, damn it. But I have like no time. Okay, he doesn't want to draw. Trying to block him from checking me. Yeah, I want to play rook here and then checkmate him here if he takes the pawn. And he has no checks, which is nice. Well, this move, is that annoying? I guess we're about to find out. Oh, right, that's pinned. Damn it, damn it, damn it, indeed. I don't think that does anything. Am I just losing? I'm not losing. I'm not losing. He does have a check. Okay, I'm probably losing on time now. God, I hate how it covers the piece. Why do you have to cover the piece, chess.com? Okay. Ah! Alright, that was too close for comfort, but that's 3 minutes for you. Somehow still number one, barely. Wow, this 24, he's like 23.90, now he's 24.46. He's just crushing everyone. And okay, we got a 22.50. We're just going to play our best. I can beat someone like this. Not often, probably not right now, but theoretically I can do it. So this is called the no boom variation. You get an extra pawn, and eventually you have to give it back. Okay. This move first. Usually they don't move that move first. But that's okay. Oh, yes, yes, see, fuck. Yeah, I got move ordered. Yeah, so now I'm just losing already. Very unfortunate. Yeah. So, you're not supposed to lose these pawns. You're supposed to keep them. I got an outside pass pawn, though. But, I mean, realistically, I'm like, I have a terrible position. Right. Sure. Yeah, okay, so I'm just busted already. This is like really embarrassing because I know this variation. a little bit. Yeah, I'm just like, I have no penetration points. I'm just, I just have a terrible position for no reason. Okay, well, he has no passed pawns. Of course, I have like 2 knights versus 2 bishops, and I'm down a pawn. So, but he could have played that better, but you got to remember this guy also only has 3 minutes. Okay, that's pins. I don't think f5 is a good move at all. So we're not going to play f5. We're just going to go back. Okay, that just gives up a pawn. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Oh, it gives up a piece. Fantastic. Yeah. No hope for me. Alright. That's sad. That's sad. Before we go on, let's, can I look at that game? Hang on, can I look at it? Alright. Okay, so this is all normal. But then b3, usually they play here first. Oops. No. Yeah, so you have to take the knight. After pawn takes, you can't take the pawn because he'll just take by knight because he broke the pin. So you have to do this. And then b3. I guess I just take b3. I don't want to open some analysis board. And if he takes here, queen here I don't like because the bishop. Oops, not that move, not that move, not that move. Queen here. Oh, the engine hates that. I can't, oh, I can't actually, I can do this. Yeah, why not? That's the move. No. What do I do? What do I do? Can't just give him that. Do I play here? Yeah, and then black is fine. Okay. Whatever. Maybe I'll play this guy again. Have another chance. Parwar. This guy looks really small. And he's already 1300, so. Sky's the limit free Parwar. This is called the Petrov. He hasn't really played it properly, but he hasn't played it terrible either. Yeah, I could kick the queen right away with knight here, but okay. This queen's pretty short of squares now. But he does have this, he has this. Yeah. I don't have time to think, so I just have to keep attacking. Alright, rook opposed to the queen is good plan generally. Let's attack the bishop. Then we're going to move this bishop, so this dark squared bishop is pinned. Putting pressure on this diagonal. Probably play c5. Okay, he doesn't play c5, he takes. Just going to try to restrict. Okay, smart. Get out of dodge. Let's put this bishop on a square that does something. A little bit of something. Connect the rooks, hit a pawn. Nothing too deep going on here. Okay, reasonable. So yeah, these like 1300s, they play like reasonable moves. So you have to come up with something cute. I could play knight here. I think I will, only because it'll open my rook on the queen. Putting some pressure here. Okay, yeah, he can always do that though. Threatening this. If he does nothing. But he's clever, this power. He's going to do something. Yep. But this I don't think is the best because of this move. And now he's got to move his queen somewhere awkward. That's going to lose the rook. Yeah. Yeah, I'm proud of these guys. They're doing something with their lives. Yeah, Power War's no joke. He's the number... Oh, no, 3. I don't know what number 3 means. He's number 34. Okay, so now I can hit the queen again. Really would like to queen this pawn too. I want to think of something cuter than taking the rook, but the problem is whenever I try to do that, I lose. Therefore, we're going to take the rook. We're going to take this. And now we're threatening to queen the pawn. And I think he's just dunzos. Bishop can't come back to defend. I'll just take it. I'm also putting pressure on f7. I think he's just finished here. Yeah, so he tries to defend, but he misses. Now I could take this. I could, but that requires me to like calculate and think, and why would I want to do that when I could just be a rook up, like threatening to queen anyway? And I get the resignation. Okay, here we go. Mr. MC again with his random c3. Just going to take the center like we did last time. This time let's go like this. Okay. I like bishop here when they play h4 because they can't break the pin. Except I almost lost a piece. Fortunately, I got this. Brave young man, or old man. Now I'm threatening to trap the queen. Okay, so he sidesteps that. Sidestep that. And he's going to come back here and defend. So this guy's really not so bad, is he? I'm going to just trade queens like a coward. Because it's just easier to play like this. He's going to play knight a3. Okay, or that. I thought knight a3 was a little better. For some reason. Yeah, now I have to like think and come up with something clever. And I don't know if I have it in me. Okay, so he's giving me a pawn. We're going to take that. Okay, he's going to move the pawn and hit my rook. I'm not really a fan of that, so let's put my rook opposed to his king. Okay, let's go back. Seems like a good square. Yeah, I gotta get rid of you. Now you got like super ugly pawns. Yeah, I should move a little quicker, shouldn't I? I'm going to attack this rook and the bishop. And I'm going to take the bishop. And I'm going to take the pawn. I'm going to put my bishop here. I'm going to put my... Oh, no. I don't want him checking me. Oh, yeah, so I screwed it up already. No. You can't think like that, bro. So what? Ooh, boo, check. Oh, and he doesn't even do it. So, yeah. Okay, so he just doesn't see that he can check me and take the pawn. I changed my mind. Oh, no, it's too late to change your mind. Now I'm defending this pawn. I'm going to just take this. I want a pawn. I want an outside pass pawn. That doesn't matter. I'm going to block out your rook. I have no time left. I don't know how these pawns think they're going anywhere. Okay, now they're going somewhere. I'm happy to give up a pawn to get my king active. To get my rook active. And this should be decisive. Yeah, I'm getting a queen, or you have to sack your bishop. But I have no time, but I have a little time. Oh, that's true. Now I have to win this. Oh, and I can't win this, can I? So I'm just drawing this guy if he plays here. So, okay, fortunately he doesn't. So he had a draw, but fortunately he missed it. But can I win 28 seconds? I think so now, yeah. Because he has to give up this pawn next move. Alright, this is the guy who doesn't resign. Here maybe he shouldn't resign because maybe I could get a stalemate, but I'm not going to get a stalemate. I'm not doing this the most beautiful way. I'm sure there was a cuter way using all the pieces. Alright, well, I got missed a draw. Yeah, this is not really my ideal tournament. I'm not getting a lot of people in my rating. I just got smashed by like a 2300 and lost someone a little lower rated than me and just playing a lot of low rateds. But whatever. Probably should have pushed. Yeah, I don't see why not. Yeah, I can't castle. It's a little annoying. I'm just happy to trade, I think. Oh, can I win this bishop? Probably not. Maybe I can. I can't really if he plays this. Okay, so I can win it. That changes nothing. Because I can take like this and I'm still winning your bishop. I know I got a knight too. Let's just be a jerk and like throw this in first. No, take here. Then take here. Oh, should have checked first. Damn. Everything must go. Bro, gotta resign, bro. Why you do this to me? This is hard work. This is hard work you're making me do right now. Man. Oh yeah, I saw White Men Can't Jump. Man, what a great movie. The original one. I haven't seen the sequel, but I heard it's like awful. But yeah. Playing chess you get to feel like you're yeah. Like stunting on people is probably similar brain chemistry you get like dunking in basketball. Not that there's much to be proud of, like beating up someone much lower rated, but I'd much rather beat up like a 2200 or something. Alright, well this guy's got Capablanca as his avatar, so that means he's serious. Okay. Play here first, force knight c6. I mean knight c3. So he can't play the Morocco, or he could do this. But this is fine. Got a tempo on the bishop. You're going to give me the bishop? I'm going to take the bishop. And I'm going to take a pawn. If you let me, I'll take this one too. Although that might be a little... Well, I said I was going to do it. So I guess that means I got to do it. Oh, it's important to stretch and not just sit here and stare at a screen. Oh, is it my move? Oh, okay. I better castle. I think I should castle. I think I should defend. Then I'm going to castle, and then I'm going to play e5, and then I'm going to play e4. And I'm not sure where I'm putting this guy yet. I guess I'll play e5 now. Yeah, I'd rather have a rook behind the pawn, not the queen. So yeah, this knight is kind of really caught out there. He's got no moves. So that's good to realize. I could play for cheap tricks. Bishop here. I mean, he sees that, but I don't think it's really a terrible move to play this way. Now where to put my bishop? I'm going to play here, then I'm going to play here, then I'm going to play bishop here. And I don't think that, like, there's anything you'd really do about it. Yeah, so maybe he wants to put his knight here. Reasonable. Yeah, these are just the moves I don't like to play. It just looks a little loose. I'm going to put my other rook here. Yeah, I got minute 17. Okay, that is, yeah, I don't really get the point of that. Yeah, don't get the point of that, because now I can get this boy rolling too. Or a girl, probably a girl, because it's going to go to be a queen. In my imagination, in my ideal world. If you want to take the bishop, you can go ahead and take the... Oh, no. I'm going to defend this square. Oh, no, I can't defend that square. Yeah, see, this is why I don't like playing these fast games. Okay, so that was a horrible move. I just gave up control of this. And he'll probably see it. If he doesn't see it, I'm lucky. Okay, he doesn't see it, so I'm lucky. So I'm going to maintain composure, and I'm going to play this. Okay. I don't think that's right, but I don't think it's really bad either. But it's definitely not good, but I have no time. Rook here maybe next, or rook here. Okay. I'm going to kick that. And I'm going to oh, bishop here would have been better. Probably. You have no moves now, right? You're just losing the queen, maybe? Hopefully. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, you do have this. 15 seconds for both of us. But I can't seem to, like, use a computer. Okay, he panicked. Pro king. Yeah, I'm just not getting, like, players my rating. I usually get players my rating more at these tournaments. But this allows me to, like, look like a boss. So that's good, I guess. Here and get this pawn, but he's doesn't want me to do that, sadly. Castling should be safe without a queen to checkmate me. Next I'm going to push, or not. Just let me get rid of you. Then when I'm coming in here, it should be like pretty clean and easy. All right, Mr. German. What is that, a missile, a crayon? Not the best move, but not terrible. I don't even remember what to do here. I haven't played this land in a long time. Yeah, so I think my position's pretty bad. But I'll probably play f4 or something, which I don't think is the best. But probably not the worst either. Probably not the worst either. Yeah, and he has these really annoying pawns. I have no development. Yeah, he can just come and try to kill me. And he may well do it. Yeah. Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Yeah, I'm never ever doing this again, ever. Ever, 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 as Clue would say. Yeah, this is not a position you want even with a ton of time, let alone not with a lot of time. Oh, yeah, I'm just giving it to him. I'm just giving him everything. Okay, so he doesn't... Oh, wait, no, he can't play bishop there because of the pawns there. So we're just going to roll up in a ball like a pathetic little animal and hope to survive this. That's the plan. Yeah, this is like a dream position. He's got everything coming at me full force. Yeah, and it's hard for me to make a good move because I don't have a good move. But I think my best bet is to like trade queens and yeah, maybe I'll be okay. Yeah, if he can't get his rook here, if he trades queens in place, pawn here, then I think I'm totally fine. Totally fine. Yeah, he should have taken or something, tried to break open the position. Because now all his development is for naught. He's like all blocked out, and I'm just going to take this, actually. So yeah, this is good now. Now I like my position a lot. I mean, not really a lot, but yeah, no, this is a good move. But not that good. Because I'm just coming king here. And oh yeah, okay, so that's a good move actually. So I'm wrong. And I'm still like totally screwed actually. Yeah, so this is a great move that I missed. And now I'm losing again. How losing? King here will take with the other rook. Well, maybe I'm not losing that bad, but now I have 30 seconds from like all my perseverating, as they say. So, yeah. Oh, I like this one. I like this move. Boom. Well, except now he can take here, but that's fine. 24 seconds. Oh, I don't think that was good. Let's close that up. I can't think. All right, so we won on time. Horrible game. I played really bad, but I got lucky. So yeah, let's check the time. This is still recording. Yeah, I'm gonna play another 40 minutes. So it's good. I got 55 points already. I told my guy I'm gonna get to 150. So that'll probably realistically take like more than 2 more hours. Oh yeah, shoot. Wait. Oh yeah, I gotta take my melatonin. So I've been taking melatonin like 3 hours before bed. It seems to be the sweet spot. All right, okay, we got someone around my rating. He's giving me a 10-second advantage, so I'll definitely take that. Okay, here we got another no boom, nope. Yeah, this is the semi-slav. Usually I go back to D3. Gonna play C5. And I don't know about this. I don't know whether I should have taken or what. Maybe I shouldn't have given him this center. But I like my bishops aiming at his king. I do like that. I'm gonna play Queen E7. Okay, that's I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. I don't think it's great. I don't think it's great because I got this. Even if he could play F4, which he can't because I'll take it, I don't think he wants to. I think I got a slightly better position. Where to put my rooks, I think here and here, but I'm not sure. I got a threat to take, maybe, kind of, probably not. Okay, I think he shouldn't do that, I think. But don't quote me on it. Got my own Luft. Luft, German word, means air. Gotta breathe. Okay, yeah, this is just a bad bishop in a bad position, and I wanna... maybe I should have put rook here, so if he tries to oppose, I could pin his queen. I don't really think I want to trade queens. Okay. Yeah. True. But I like this move. Oh. Maybe I don't like that move. Maybe, wait, slow down there, muchacho. I think you can just take, right? Okay, now... yeah, no, let's not get checkmated. You're not getting checkmated. You're not getting checkmated. Let's just block that right up. He could maybe play here. Maybe he could play there. Yeah, now we're just in a wild position that I just don't know what's going on, but I don't like my king. But his king's like, yeah, his king's just safer than mine. It is, it is, it is. Maybe rook here. He can just block, though. Yeah, I think I'm just in a bad way. Just in a bad way. Because he's going to check. And no, but he doesn't have anything there. Okay, so he's being a little... yeah, he's kind of not doing it right. He's not doing it right. He can push, but then I'm taking his queen. He can get a new queen, but then I'm taking that queen. Yeah, so he made a bad mistake, but maybe it's not that bad because he can play this. Ah, yeah, but then bishop here. Yikes. Yikes. I feel like I got lucky here. Yeah, moving the queen back, not good. Yeah, you can do that, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Do I have to take it? Yeah, I do. Maybe I don't. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should have thought for a moment. But, I mean, this is obviously winning. Queen, extra pawn. Bad bishop. I mean, it's not really bad because of his pawns. Okay. But, like, my pawns are blocking. He's got nowhere to go. Oh, yeah, and he has no time. Okay. All right, here we go. We got someone moderating. Let's give it all we got. Okay, C3, Sicilian. Okay. Other knight bishop. I'm going to take. I like this type of variation. It looks weird, right? Letting him trade queens. I feel like, yeah, if he doesn't take queen now. Okay, so he's doing it this way. So I'm up a pawn. Bad pawns. But it's still a pawn, and I got two bishops. This is better for me. There's like... Oh, I don't know about this at all, honestly. Okay. Gonna give up my bishop here after he takes. Which probably is wrong. Probably. Well, probably it's wrong. Rook takes here, b6. I can play. Like, I can also just take b6. I think I should just want to maul you, bro. No, that's a little aggressive. Let's like temper. Let's develop the pieces. That's fine. Oh no, it's not fine. It's not fine at all. Not fine at all. Actually, it's fine. Yeah. Ooh. No, it doesn't quite work. Knight here doesn't work because he can check me, but it still works. It's still good. It's still good, and that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm better. I like this position. I like an extra pawn. I mean, it's not an extra pawn, but it's kind of like an extra pawn. It's an outsider. Don't know if I should check him. I don't know if I should have done that. Don't quote me on it. But I like this lateral defense. Oh, yeah. Genius, bro. You're... Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I'm still going to defeat you. I'm not going to defeat him. I'm still going to defeat you. Oh. Ugh. Yeah, fine. It's not looking good for our hero, is it? But there's always time. There's always time. Yeah, I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do it. Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. But guess what? You don't have a pawn either, do you? You don't have my pawn, do you? No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't. Oh, yeah, you can check me. You can check me. I'm not worried about this guy at all. At all. What? Oh, man. Now I actually feel guilty. I feel a little bad for you, bro. A little bad. I feel like mean, you know? A little mean for doing that. Doing you dirty like that. But I mean, whatever, all's fair in love and war, right? Right. I don't want to give you nothing. I don't want to give you nothing. Okay, fine. I'll give you something. I'll give you something. But not too much. Get out of town, bro. Get out of town. Where are you going to go here? Oh, that'd be nice, mate. Take it. Oh. This is what makes chess fun. But I mean, it's like kind of pathetic, right? Because I deserve to lose this one. But what is deserve, right? Deserve is not like a real thing. There's no justice in this world. I need more water. Where's my secretary? Where's my second? Aw. Layla's a good girl. She's upstairs waiting for me. And I'm just like playing this silly game. Oh, I'm a lucky boy. I should count my blessings, right? Instead of being so resentful all the time. Alright, I'm going to play one more, and then I'm going to get some water. Because I think an hour and a half. If anyone's still with me, you have to seriously, like, question your life choices. But I appreciate it, though. Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, these endgames are fun. I really like these C3 Sicilian endgames. Alright, hard work pays off. But I don't think you've worked as hard as me. Although I haven't really been working very hard lately. I put in my like 10,000 hours of Blitz and Bullet. I hate the Grand Prix attack. Okay, that's not right. Oh, what am I doing, bro? What the? So stupid. I should have played D6. So now I'm just dead lost. But whatever. Whatever. I don't want to lose. Don't like it. I don't like it. You can just play H3. It's fine. I know. Now you're hitting this. I know. Oh, maybe this is better. Maybe. Okay, I don't buy it. I don't buy it. What's the big idea? I can't castle, but you're also like giving me your stuff, right? Are you giving me your stuff? Are you? No, you're hitting my rook. Oh, I can't think. I can't play chess when I lose a pawn like this. I'm not like that qualified. Yeah, T5, bro. What? Oh. Yeah. There's so much self-hatred involved in chess. Oh. I don't know. I don't know if it's possible to be a healthy chess player. I don't know if it's possible to do that. I just don't know if it is. Yeah, I think I should just take this. Like, I'm always like, I want to be like a Zen chess player who just doesn't get upset. But I just don't know if it's possible. Don't know if it's possible to like be that. Yeah. So now I feel like it's not so bad. Not so bad. It's not so bad. Something grown cold and I don't know. No, I can't castle either. That's not cool. But he definitely hasn't like played this to the max. I'm gonna play E6. No, I'm not gonna play E6. I'm gonna play here. Yeah. I'm gonna castle. Just don't know about that, bro. Wait a minute. Can I win your queen? Oh yeah, I would like to win your queen, but I can't actually. But I can do this. Oh yeah. Then I can do this, right? And then if you take here, then you die. So another swindle. Undeserved. But we gotta take what we can get. So this is my hard work of like just a little bit of tactics. But this guy's probably way younger than me. And he has, who knows his potential. Who knows how far this guy has to go. Anyway, let's just stop like saying random words and like just finish this off. God, why does it cover it up? Why does it cover it up? Why chess.com? Why do you do that? You don't have to do that. Yeah. No, you're overthinking. You have 30. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? This is not correct. None of this is right. Just stop that. Just stop it. Stop it. Oh, You can't even pre-move on chess.com. It's awful. Okay, he's going to run out of time, though. Yeah, this is a big thing with low-rated players. They just, like, run out of time. They panic. See, like, this is not a good move, but running out of time is the worst move. So, okay, so I'm going to play here. And I'm going to play... let's see. Okay, so now I'm the one who's playing bad. Rook takes, yeah, reasonable. Oh yeah, see what? Now you're blundering. And you're going to run out of time. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it right there. I got 67 points. I got to get 100. I got to get 83 tomorrow. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this was entertaining or useful or something like that.